My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter. This vehicle has done just over 56,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our huge leather sofa, fit with 2 speakers in the back, as well as our fridge. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and assist, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access radio, media and menu, and on the right we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.